Hi, welcome to Sachin Study Tech. Today topic is optimal binary search tree OBST by using dynamic programming approach. So here consider the below table which contains the keys and frequencies. So these are the keys, 4 keys is there, 4 frequencies is there. So we have to find out optimal binary search tree. You know what is the how many binary search trees are possible for these 4 keys? That is 14. You know this is the formula 2n cn by n plus 1. This is the formula. So here n is the number of nodes, that is 4 keys is there, that is 2 into 8 c4 by 4 plus 1, that is 5. So total 14 binary search trees are possible for these 4 keys. Instead of trying all binary search trees and find out the optimal binary search tree, it takes the 2 power n. So here this is the time complexity, exponential time complexity, big of 2 power n. But here the n is 4, that is big of 2 power 4. For example, here the number of keys are n, that is big of 2 power n. So this is the time complexity, but trying all these possibilities of the binary search tree, among all those binary search tree you can find out the optimal one. So it takes much more time. So instead of that, you can find out optimal binary search tree by using dynamic programming approach. Now we can see, so how can solve this problem. So first step 1 is we will calculate the values where j minus I is equal to 0. J minus I is equal to 0. So here it is, row indicates the I and column indicates j. Column indicates j here. So first j minus I, that is equal to 0. So when the j minus I is equal to 0, that is j is 0, I is 0, that is 0, and 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0, and 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0, and 3 minus 3, that is equal to 0, and 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0. So here we can see I value is 0 0, like 1 1, and 2 2, 3 3, and 4 4. So here consider 0 keys, you cannot consider any key of these. So here 0 0 is 0, now we can fill with 0 here, 1 1 is 0, and 2 2 is 0, 3 3 is 0, 4 4 is 0. This is the first step. Next you can find out j minus I equal to 1. J minus I equal to 1, that means you can consider one key at a time. You can see here j minus I equal to 1. When the j minus I equal to 1, so you can consider the one key, that is equal to, here it is 1, I value is 0, that is equal to 1, and 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1, 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1, 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. That means here I comma j values 0 comma 1 and 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 4. So 0 comma 1, that is this, you have to find out. So 0 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4. Now 0 comma 1, the cost is the cost of 0 comma 1. So this is the formula here, minimum of c I comma k minus 1. So here it is plus c kj plus w of ij. So w of ij means here it is w is W of, for example here 0 to 4 keys is there, then what is the formula here? It is I equal to 1 to n, that is n is the 4 here, and summation of I equal to 1 to 4 f of I. So this is the formula for W of ij. Now we can see C of 01 means ignore this one, so we can consider only one key, that is this one 10. The frequency is 4, so here it is 4. Now here it is 4, here it is 2, here it is 6, here it is 3. Directly can write here, you can consider one first key, okay, the frequency is 4, you can consider the second key 2, and frequency is 2, here 6, here it is 3. Now next step you can see here, what is the next step here? It is j minus I equal to 2. Now you can consider at a time 2 keys. Now you can see j minus I equal to 2. When the j minus I equal to 2, that is here it is 2 minus 0, that is 2, and 3 minus 1, that is 2, 4 minus 2, that is 2. So here it is 0 comma 2 and 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 4. 0 comma 2 have to find out this. Here also 1 comma 3, here also 2 comma 4, you can fill with that. So j minus I equal to 2 means you can take 2 keys at a time. So here it is, you can find out C of 0 comma 2. Ignore 0, that is you can consider first key and second key. First key and second key. Here it is, first key value is 10, second key is 20. So here the frequency of first key is 4, frequency of second key is 2. Now how many binary search trees? Binary trees are possible. Binary search trees are possible, these two. So 2 binary search trees are possible for these 2 keys. That is 10. Here right, it is 20. So this is the one binary search tree. Another one is you can take 20 here. Root node is 20 and it is 10. So this is the second binary search tree. Here it is 1 comparison, here it is 2 comparison, here it is 1 comparison, here it is 2 comparison. Then here the frequency is 4, so 1 into 4, and here the frequency is 2 for the key 20, frequency is 2, that is 2. So here it is total 4 plus 4, 8. So you can see here it is 2, it is 4, that is 8 plus 2, that is 10. So which is the minimum here? This is the minimum. How to find out the minimum here? Okay, without using formula directly can calculate it. If the number of keys are 2 keys or 3 keys, simply can calculate directly. Here it is 8 is the minimum. So 8 you can note down here, 8 is the minimum. So you can consider which key as a root? 10. That is equal to 8, 0 comma 2, that is 8. So which key you can take the root node? That is the minimum. Here it is first key. So note down here 8, 1. So 1 is the first key, is the root node. Next, C of 1 comma 3. C of 1 comma 3. That means ignore first one and you can consider the second and third. Second and third. Here you can see second key is 20, the frequency is 2. Third key is 30, the frequency is 6. So here 20 is the root node, here 30, here it is 1 into 2, that is 2, here it is 30, 6 into 2, that is 12, so here it is 14. Okay, one more binder search tree is also possible. Here it is 30 is the root node and 20, that is 6 into 1 and 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. Here it is 6, so 10, here it is 10, here it is 14. So this is the minimum. So you can note down here 13 is 10, which is the root node. Here it is 30, so that is the third key. Okay, you can note down here like that. Here also you can find out 2 4, C of 2 comma 4, ignore 2, that is 3 4 you can consider. Third key is 30, fourth key is 40. Here the frequency of the third key is 6, frequency of fourth key is 3. Now here it is 30 and 40, here it is 6 into 1 and 3 into 2, here it is 6 plus 6, that is 12. You can see here it is, for example, 30 is the root, 40 is the root node and here it is 30, like here the 43, 3 into 1 and 6 into 2, this is 12 plus 3, that is 15. So 12 is the minimum, so you can write here 12, which is the key here 30, that is the key is 3, third key is the root node, so that is the minimum. Like that we have to find here it is like that. We have to find j minus I equal to 3 and j minus I equal to 4. Now j minus I equal to 3 have to find out. When j minus I equal to, here it is 3 minus 0 equal to 3 and 4 minus 1 equal to 3, that is I value 0, j value is 3 and here it is 1 comma 4. So we have to find out 0 comma 3 and 1 comma 4. So here 3 means at a time you can consider the 3 keys. Here the cost of 0 comma 3. So here ignore the 0, first one. Here have to consider 1 2 3, so up to this one 4 2 6, here 10 20 30, 10 20 30. What are the frequencies? Here it is 4, here 2, here 6. So these 3 keys, how many binary search trees are possible? 5 binary search trees are possible for these 3 keys. So out of these you have to find out the optimal one, that is minimum cost. So here it is For example, I can draw the one diagram. Here it is. For example, 10 is the root node, here it is 20, and here it is 30. So here one comparison is needed. Root node, the frequency is 4. Here it is second comparison, 2 comparison is needed. The frequency is 2. Here it is 3 comparison is needed. Here it is frequency is 6. So how to see that? It is 18 plus 4 plus 4, that is 26. Okay, like that we have to find 5 binary circuit tree. Out of those 5 binary circuit tree, one is the optimal one. So which key are considered is the root node, then you can get the optimal. So you can note down here. But in this case I am using the formula directly. Here it is C of 0 comma 3, that is equal to minimum of C of, what is I? So I value is 0. What is K? So here it is, the K is I greater than K greater than or equal to J. So I is 0, so K value is 1, 2 and 3. You can consider here it is, for example I am consider the first K value is 1, so 1 minus 1, that is 0, plus K value is 1, so 1 comma, what is the 3? Here it is 1 comma 3, plus W of Ij, so that is 0 comma 3. What is 0 comma 3? That means ignore 0, 1, 2, 3. You can add these frequencies, 4 plus 2 plus, so here it is 12. So this value is 12. Like that, here it is C of, for example in this case K value is 2, 0 comma 2 minus 1, that is 1, plus C of 2 comma 3. Next K value is 3, I am consider K value is 3. Now it is 0 comma 2 plus C of 3 comma 3, K comma J, here it is. So you can see 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0 value is 0, 0 plus C of 1 3, C of 1 3. So what is the value? Here it is 10. So you can see 0 1, 0 1 value is 4 here, 4 plus C of 2 3, C of 2 3 value is 6. So here it is 0 1, 4 plus 6, that is, here it is 10, here also 10. Now C of 0 2, 0 2 value is 8, 8 plus 0 of 3 3, that is 0. So here it is 10 10 8, which is the minimum among these. So 8 is the minimum. So 8 plus 12, that is 20. So you can note down here 0 C03, C03, it is 20. Which key you are considered as a root node? Here, that is K value is 3, that is third key can consider as a root node. That's why here 20, third key considered as a root node. So like that, how to draw the, we have to find out. Now it is 1 comma 4. Now can find out 1 comma 4. So next 1 comma 4, C of 1 comma 4, So the k values are, so ignore one, that is k value is 2, k value is 3, k value is 4. Now you can see the minimum of C of I value is 1, 1 comma, first time consider the k value is 2, that is 1 comma 1 plus C of 1 comma 4 plus W of 1 comma 4. That means you can ignore the first one. Here it is 2, 6, 3, 9, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 2, 11. So this value is 11 now. Like the k value is 3 now. See I comma k2 minus 1. Here it is I value is 1. First I can consider 2 minus 1, that is 1. Here k value is 3. 3 minus 1, that is 2 here, plus k value is 3. 3 comma 4. Now here it is 1 comma 4 plus here it is cost of 4 comma 4. So 1 comma 1 is 0 and C of 1 comma 4. C of 1 comma 4. So here it is k value is 2, j value is 4, 2 comma 4. So 2 comma 4 value is 12. Here it is 12 and C of 1 2, C of 1 2, that is 2, 2 plus C of 3 4, 3 4 value is 3. So here it is 5. Here it is 2 comma 4, that is 12. 0 plus 12, that is 12. Here it is 5. You can see of 1 comma 4. Here also k value is 4. So that is 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3, that value is 10. 10 plus C of 440. Here it is 10. 10, 5, 12. Which is the minimum? 5 is the minimum. So here is 5 plus 11, that is 16. So in C14 it is 16, which key as a considered as a root node. Here you can see third key considered as a root node. So here it is 16.3. Like that we have to find out. Here it is j minus I equal to 4 now. So 4 minus 0, only one possibility, 4 minus 0, that is cost of 0 comma 4. Now we can see, you can calculate it that. Here it is W of 0 comma 4, W of 0 comma 4, the k values is 1, 2, 3 and 4. At a time 4 keys you are consider. Here it is minimum of, here W is W0 comma 4, that is you can consider all the keys frequencies here. 4 comma 2, 6, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 3, 15. This value is 15. Now minimum of C of I value is 0 and first time consider the k value is 1. So that is 0 0 plus C of k value is 1, 1 comma 4. So here C of 0 comma k value is I am considered 2 now. So 2 minus 1, that is 1. So plus C of 2 comma 4 and C of 0 comma 2, consider the k value is 3. C of 3 comma 4, like here the k value is 4, I am consider 4 minus 1, that is 3, plus C of 4 comma 4. So 0 0 is 0. C of 1 comma 4, 1 comma 4 value is 16. Here it is 16, that is equal to 16. Here 0 1, 0 1 value is 4, 4 plus C of 2 4, 2 4 value is 12. 0 1, here it is 4 plus 12, that is here also 16. And C of 0 2, 0 2, that is 8, 8 plus C of 3 4, 3 4, that is 3. So here it is 11. And 0 C of 0 3, 0 3, the value is 20, 20 plus C of 4 4, that is 0, here it is 20. So here 20, here it is 11. So minimum of, here it is 16, 16, 11, 20 plus here it is 15. So which is the minimum? 11 is the minimum. 11 plus 15, that is 26. You can note down here 26. What key are considered as a root node here? So key is 3. Now we have to draw the optimal binary search tree. How to draw the optimal binary search tree? How to draw here? How to draw the optimal binary search tree? By using this table. What is the optimal binary search tree? Actually here in 4 keys, here the 14 binary search trees are possible. You can draw the 14 binary search tree. It is very difficult. So that by using dynamic programming approach, so you can consider the 1 key, you can consider the 2 keys at a time, you can consider 3 keys, you can consider the 4 keys at a time. Likewise, you have to calculate it, which is the minimum, which is the optimal. So then you have to fill this table. Based on this table, directly can find out the optimal binary search tree. You can see here it is. So that is here 0 comma 4. So root node is 3. So here it is C of 0 comma 4. C of 0 comma 4, that is 0 comma 4. The root node is 3. Here it is 3. Root node is 3. So you can see here it is. This is the formula here. Simple formula here it is. C of ij, that is equal to here root node R of ij, here it is R of I comma k minus 1. Here in right side, here it is R of k comma j. So this is the simple R of ij. Here it is R of I k minus 1. Here it is I k minus 1. You can write here. Here in right side C of kj. Here R of kj. Now here it is R of root 04. That key value is 3. So here it is R of I value is 0. I value is 0. So what is the k minus 1 value? So k is, so key, that is 3. So 3 minus 1, that is 2 here. Then here it is R of k. K value is k value is 3. So that is 3 comma j value is 4. 3 comma 4. Now R of 02, you can see here it is 0. R of 0 2. 0 2 value is, the key is 1. So here it is 1. Key is 1. Like that, here it is R of I value is 0, comma k minus 1, that k value is 1. 1 minus 1, that is 0. Here you can see R of, here k value is 1, j value is in this 1 comma 2. So j value is 2 here. Here it is 0 2. Now R of 0 0. So R of 0 0 value is 0. R of 1 2. R of 1 2. So that is second key. 1 2, that is second key. So here it is, key value is 2. Like here R of 3 4. 3 4 value, here it is 3, that is the fourth key. Here it is the fourth key. So like that, here it is R of I comma k minus 1. So k minus 1, that is I is 3, k minus 1, that is R 3 3. Here it is R k j, that is 4 4. This value is 0, this value is 0. So here it is 4. Now here also you can see, here it is in left R of, so I value is 1, k value is 2 minus 1, that is 1 comma 1, and here right side R of k key value is 2, that is k, and j value is 2. So that is also 0. Here R of 1 1 is 0. So that here it is third key, that is third key is 30. The key value is 30. You can note down here. Next, here in left side the key value is 1. Key value is, first key is 10 in left side. Here it is fourth key, that is 40, and here you can see it is key 2, that is 20. Here 20. Then you can see so 4 keys are placed. This is the optimal binary search tree. You can see here 30, the frequency is 6, so 6 into 1. Here 40, the frequency is 3 into this is the second level, that's why it is 2 comparison is needed. Here it is 10, so that is 4 into 2 here, and 20. Here the key is 2 into third 3 comparison is needed. Here it is 6 plus, here it is 8, 6, that is 14 plus 6, 20, 26, total 26. This is the optimal binary search tree among the 14 binary search tree. This is the optimal. And directly you can also check, here it is which are the key frequency is 6, that means frequently here the frequency is 6, so you can take that is the root node. So that is also correct. Here it is the frequency is 2, very low frequency, then it is considered as a leaf node, that is, so that is also a fine. So this is the optimal binary search tree by using divide and by using dynamic programming approach. Thank you for watching this video.